No instructions at all. Please match up. And the problem with these things are they don't sit fully in. They're 3M glue. They're protected in the front by a film. So what we're going to do is going to first clean off the unit with alcohol. I have a microcloth. You could probably snap this all off if you want. I'm going to go inside. I'm going to do my best to peel all the 3M and make believe adhesive and try not to grab the adhesive itself. Do be careful, these edges are sharp. Do it on a nice hot day, which I'm doing. Heat it up. So this way the glue can adhere. A minimum of 30 seconds. I'm just having such a difficulty on getting these strips off. One more to peel. A close-up look at me taking everything off here. All I gotta do now is just come over here, place on, peel off, and just adhere. Hold it nice and tight. In the center, you don't have anything. You're doing 55. Nobody's going to see it. That's it. You're on. And you're stuck. You don't see the edging. If you're worried about it, dip it, baby. Dip it. You got the before and after. A piece of aluminum versus plastic. Which one do you like?